Again, 08 Dodge Sprinter with the 3.0, I think. Okay. Yeah, and it's a turbo diesel, and it don't start. It cranks, it builds up some pressure, goes up to about 100 bar, but it's got to be 300 bar, and it shows these two codes. I'm trying to relate the non-starting issue with these two codes. I'm not sure if it's related, because besides them two codes, it keeps showing low pressure deviation codes. So if I go to high pressure control and crank it, we will see that the pressure, which is the second line, real pressure, second line, goes, well, I tried it up to 100 and then it stops building. Okay. I think it's got multiple issues. I think one of them is the high pressure pump, and the codes refer to one to intake problem, one to exhaust problem. We're going to start with the pump. Thank you.